Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. Did you guys know that you can have assistant from AI on Lord's mobile game? If no, then watch the video till the end cause I'm gonna show you AI assistant on Lord's mobile. So first thing first, open up your Lord's mobile game and head over to its settings. In order to access Lord's mobile settings, tap on the arrow button that is located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap on that, you can see Lord's mobile settings, so go ahead and tap on settings. From here, just go to help. So tap on help and you can see AI Assistant Plus right here. So go ahead and tap on AI Assistant Plus in order to access AI Assistant. As you can see, I have launched my AI Assistant and you can launch your AI Assistant by following the same steps shown in the video. So that's it for today's video guys. If you have any confusion, just leave your queries down in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos as such. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss our future videos. Thanks for watching.